You guys have voted.
We heard you and we are here.
The Saint is the upscale restaurant we decided to go to, located in downtown Dallas.
The vibe was sexy and so was my lady. Let's let the party begin.
The lights were dim, the tables were small and intimate, and so we started out by looking at a few wine options.
Couldn't decide on how much we wanted, so I decided to buy the bottle.
We decided on a nice bottle of Pinot. The waitress poured us up, and it was cheers to the start of a wonderful night.
Ain't she so beautiful?
Thank you, baby. And the wine was delicious. Now let's dig in. The appetizer was basically a fancy
lobster hush puppy.
Now they was good, I ain't even gonna lie. And we picked out our food. They also let us pick out our own knives.
I had to pick the one with the pearl handle. I know you see the wrist. Then our main courses came out. As big as mine was, we could have shared this.
We picked mashed potatoes for our side, and I had a nice medium rare steak. The crust on this bad boy was delicioso.
What I ordered was big for no reason. I was not impressed. I'm ordering a steak next time.
Now the best thing on the menu was the cheesecake. It was light and fluffy with a little caramel on the side, and baby,
we smashed.
It was complimentary valet, and this concluded our date night in Dallas.